Welcome to my vlog. This is entry number 14. I'll go ahead and get started. I did get out of my trade, but the trade before this, I had made $210 from the 9th to the 24th, and I enjoyed that trade a lot more than my current one. My goal is still to double my account inside a year. I post charts daily on Instagram. Check it out. Also, check out my absolute favorite energy drink. It's awesome. Links on my website and in the description. Okay, my current trade did not go well. I got out. My stop loss limit was hit at the 50-day moving or exponential moving average. And reviewing this, I did lose a lot. I got kicked in the teeth. I had set my stop loss extra low at the 50-day exponential moving average, and basically I lost close to $900. So it was a real kick in the teeth, and basically I'm either going to use the MACD, especially in the times of the bad 6 months, things like that, either that or the 20-day exponential moving average, because basically it would have limited my loss, and for my goal, I'm just going to have to shoot a lot higher or get out quicker. I'll have to get it more specific just because I can't just give back all my profits every time. So basically I'm just going to have to set my stop loss higher, like I said. So knowing that going forward, the method is still great. It's the execution. You have to set up a specific set of rules. Thankfully though, I did set the rule and kept to it. It's just that I need to change the rule to keep profitable. And this is why trading can be really frustrating. I had gotten back in on the 26th and just got out yesterday. So as you can see, for a bullish type move, that was not good. So, but if I'd gotten out at the 20-day exponential moving average, probably on the 6th, the 7th, maybe even the 2nd, it would have been much better. I think, and you have to be specific with the rule. If you see on May 2nd, it had gone below the 20-day exponential moving average, but it didn't stay below. And then on the 6th, it had gone and closed below it. And then on the 7th, you can see it's completely below it. Well, it had dived above it one time, but basically it opened and closed below it. So I could have gotten out with a lot less. And as you see from the 10th to 13th, it had gapped down largely. So that's part of why I had lost as much as I did, because it was a larger type move, and that can happen in the market, the gaps, and generally it will go down faster than it goes up. I may try to use a bullet or a bearish move, try and make money when it's going down, because it may not have found its bottom. It may come back up today. So far I haven't been as good about timing the moves downward, but we'll see. All right, to learn the method that works both in up and down markets, try it out on Udemy. For every price point, check it out on Patreon. There are only 8 spots left at the $1 tier. As always, don't look for a fair fight.